Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 16th, and this is my analysis of the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the US dollar CAD, I'm still looking at this move as potentially getting very close to being over. I still think there's a very good likelihood eventually it's going to go down and make a wave C, and that this is an A, this is a B, and it's going to go down and make a big wave C. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we are sitting at the 88%, but normally when price goes beyond the 78%, it actually does go up and take out the previous high. We'll have to see if that really is the case. I'm still looking at this as potentially a wave 1, potentially a wave 2, and maybe turning down today. Today is Canadian news, so maybe, just maybe, it will turn down today and start the very beginning of a big wave 3. So going down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, for now, I am calling this potentially a wave 2 still, a big ABC. We are at the 88.5, which is actually not really a great sign for it continuing back down. Maybe today's Canadian news will come out really positive for the Canadian, and maybe it will cause a big push down for the beginning of this wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, we are at a Fibonacci level. You would think that today's news would cause it to go down and break structure, which if that happens, that would definitely turn me into a seller. It kind of doesn't really look like it's prepared for that, though. It almost looks like a 1, 2, 3. So I'm not really convinced that today's Canadian news is going to be a big mover. It might just be a wave 4, it might be, and then might just continue up for a wave 5 and take out that 100% Fibonacci extension or the high of the previous move on the weekly time frame, which would be the 100% Fibonacci retracement level. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, you would think that today's news would actually cause this to go down and break structure. And if that does happen, that would definitely turn me into a seller for the continuation of the downtrend. It kind of depends what it looks like between now and the news. If it comes out and the news looks like this prior to the news, then I would say it probably is going to go up, and it probably is going to take out that 100% Fibonacci level I was showing on the higher time frames. On the other hand, if it actually goes down prior to the news and ends up doing something like that, then I would say that the news is going to cause it to go down. It is going to cause a break of structure, and it will probably continue the downtrend. So we really do have to reevaluate this at the news. Luckily, if you are one of my premium members, you will be in a live stream with me at the news. The news is at 1:30 p.m. today, UK time, and my live stream starts at 1 o'clock daily for New York session. So we're definitely going to have to reevaluate this. As of right now, I'm kind of thinking that maybe it is just going to keep on going up, and it probably is going to take out that 100% Fibonacci on the weekly time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and gives you access to the swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.